Now we will see the isomers for alkene. Now we know the first compound is ethene, that is CH2, CH2. Do you think there will be more than one isomers form? If I arrange it like this, still it is ethene. So the number of isomers formed for ethene is only 1. Now next, double bond CH3, that is propene. Now if I take the double bond this side and change, again it will be pro-1ene. So therefore it's always propene. Now propenes can form one alkene isomer, but there is one more isomer which can be formed by arranging the carbon in a cyclic manner. So 1, 2, 3 carbons are there, and here 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So this is called as a cyclopropane. This is called as a cyclopropane. See, can you tally the number of hydrogens? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6, and 3 carbons. Okay, so it will form one isomer in the form of alkene and one in the form of alkane. Now we will go to the next one, that is butene. Now, do you remember the molecular formula for butene? Very good. It is C4H8. Now first let us arrange the carbons. Okay. Now let me put the double bond in the first position here. Now this is a double bond here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us count the carbons. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the double bond is between the first and the second carbon. Therefore it will be called as but1ene. So this is the first isomer. Okay. Now I take this double carbon bond here and put it here. Now the bond is between the second and the third carbon. So this will become 3. This will become 1, 2, 3, and this will become. Okay. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this will be called as but2ene. It's be called as but2ene. So this is the first isomer. This is the second isomer. Now we will see whether it can form any other isomer. Yes. What I will do is, now if I shift this double bond here, will it form but3ene? No. Because again when I will start counting the carbon, from where I will get the least numbering. So the two isomers that I can form is but1ene, but2ene. Now I can play around with the methyl group. So CH3, C, I will just put it in the second position. Okay. Now this is 3 carbons. This is 3 carbons. That means 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Oh, is it correct? There's some error. Can you tell me? This hydrogen should not be here. It should be here. Okay. So this carbon has 1, 2, 3, and 4 valency fulfilled. This carbon has 1, 2, 3, and 4 valencies fulfilled. Now what will be the name of this compound? We know how we make it. The branching is always called as, if it is 1 carbon, it is called as methyl. If it is 2 carbon, it is called ethyl. This is only 1 carbon. So this will be 1, 2, and 3. So now the methyl group is in the second position. we named as 2-methyl. We named as 2-methyl, and what is the chain? The long chain is a propene. So it will be named as 2-methyl propene. Now, these are the 3 alkene isomers that can be formed. But do you think there is any other form that can be formed? So now we need to have 4 carbons and 8 hydrogens. Okay. Till now we have seen the alkene compounds, that is but 1-ene, but 2-ene, and the next one was 2-methyl propene. Now we will see the isomers without the double bond. All these have double bonds. Now we are going to see a compound which doesn't have a double bond, but the molecular formula is same. So I can arrange the 4 carbons in a cyclic manner. Okay, similar like the propane. Now here each carbon, now let us see how many valencies has to be fulfilled. This carbon, 2 bonds are already there, so now it will have 1 and 2. Again this carbon, 1 and 2. This carbon 1 and 2, and this carbon 1 and 2. So this makes a cyclobutane. This makes a cyclobutane. Now, what if I arrange this in a 3 carbon manner, and to one of the carbon I add the methyl group? Okay. Now, this carbon has 1, 2, 3 bonds, so it has a valency for 1 hydrogen. Now this has 1, 2, so this has 2, and 1, 2, this has 2. So the single bond. So now, can we just tally the number of hydrogens? 2 plus 2, 4, 5 and 3, 8. Now, the name of this compound. You remember in the last section we saw that this is called as a cyclopropane, and to that methyl is added. So the name of this compound is methyl cyclopropane. So the alkene isomers possibles are 3 plus 2 more isomers. Okay, I hope this is clear, and mostly you will have maximum compounds that you will get is till C5. They will not ask you to make more isomers than that. So basically this you have to remember. So I hope this is clear. Still if doubt persists, Kelsey, Charlotte and Kamran, please feel free to contact me.